Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kantai. Today I am going to talk about technical topic is Introduction to Drug Safety. Adverse drug reaction in detail. Adverse drug reaction can be classified into several types. Type A. These are predictable reactions that are dose dependent and related to the drug pharmacological effects such as low blood sugar with insulin or bleeding with anticoagulant. Type B. These are unpredictable, unrelated to drug known effect and are often allergic or immunoglobulogenic nature. Example include with penicillin or a severe rash with antileptic drug. Type C. These result from long-term drug use such as kidney damage from prolonged use of anti-inflammatory drug. Type D. This reaction occurs long after the drug was taken such as cancer from chemotherapy or effect caused by drug like type C. Type E. Withdrawal effect when a drug is stopped suddenly such as hypertension with beta blockers. ADRs are one of the most important concerns in the drug safety as they can lead to hospitalization, disability or even death. Tools and systems for drug safety monitoring. Pharmacovigilance heavily release a variety of tools and systems. Spontaneous reporting systems. These systems allow healthcare professionals and patients to report adverse drug reaction. MedWatch and the WHO. Example: electronic health record. These provide real-world data that can issue by looking at large pollution over long period. Database and for signal detection. Signal detection is often carried out using satisfy like analysis which identify potential by comparing the frequency of adverse events report for drug to what expected. Pharmacovigilance in drug development. Pharmacovigilance activities start early in the drug development process. Preclinical phase. Safety assessments are performed in animals to identify potential toxic effect. Clinical trials. Phase 1-3. During these trials, data on the safety is collected into a control phase involving progressively more patients to assess not just efficacy but also potential side effects. Phase 4. Post-marketing surveillance. Once a drug is on the market, ongoing surveillance is vital for capturing rare or long-term adverse effects. Involve phase 4 trials which continue to monitor safety and efficacy in larger population. Regulatory framework for drug safety. Drug safety regulation vary from country to country but share many common features. US FDA and Data Administration. The FDA requires that pharmaceutical companies report any serious and unexpected, provides oversight, safety surveillance and risk management plan. EMA medicine agencies. The EMA manage systems for adverse drug reaction reporting across Europe in enforces manufacturing to regulatory assess the benefit risk. ICH guideline. The International Council for Harmonization ICH provides global standard for safety ensuring across region. Data management, ADR reporting and risk management plans. Risk benefit analysis. Every drug on the market comes with both risk and benefit. Regulatory agencies evaluate this balance and thank you.